Alright guys, welcome back. I'm Baz from R.E.A.L Construction Group. Today, we're in the city of Hampton at one of our restoration projects. This beautiful home was just constructed in 2019, which happened to go through a disaster and burn down. Our team is here to clean up all the content and backfill the site. Follow me and let's see how the team is doing.